Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I wanna share tutorial about how to use the newest template feature on Capcut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the Capcut apps and make sure that you have the latest version of the apps. And in here, I show you the newest Capcut. In here you can see shortcut menu. Just click on it and choose the video that you want to edit. This one. Click next at the bottom. Please waiting. And in here you can see the newest template feature on the Capcut. You can choose one.
The trap is sprung.
If you don't use the template, just click export in here, and you can see your video in your gallery. So that's how to use the newest template feature on Capcut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below.